Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha, Dhyana Shloka altogether. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam Karoti Vacharam Pangum Langayate Girim Yatkripātamaham Vande Paramanandamadhavam Atha Śrīmad-Bhagavad-Gītāsu Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha Shri Bhagavanuvaca Chaturvidha bhajante mam Janaः sukrutinorjuna Ato jignāsurarthāti Jnānī ca bharatarshava Tejah kshama-dhriti shaucham Ardroho nātimanita Bhavanti sampadam daivīm Abhijatasya bharata Dambho darpo vimanascha Krodhah parushyameva cha Ajñānam ca vijatasya Pāta sampadamāsurim Daivī samvad-vimokṣāya Nibandhāya surimata Māsu ca sampadam daivīm Abhijātosi Pandava Nāntosi Mahirvyanam Vibhūtīnām Parantapa Eša tu Veshalah Proktaha Vibhūteः Vistaro Maya Yadyad Vibhūtimat-sattvam Śrīmadurjitameva va Tattadevāvagacchhatvam Mahatejosha-sambhavam Mayyeva mana ādhasva Mayi buddhim niveshaya Nivasishyasi mayyeva Atha ūrധ്വം न संशयः Arjuna uvaca Evametadhyatha tattvam Atmanam parameshvara Drashtumicchāmi te rūpam Aishvaram purushottama Shri Bhagavanuvaca Na tu māṁ shakyase drashtum Anenaiva svachakshusha Divyam dadāmi te chakshuhu Pashyami yogameshwaram Sanjaya uvaca Evamuktva tato rajan Mahayogeshwaro harihi Darshayamasa Parthāya Paramam rūpamaishwaram Arjuna uvaca Kirinam gadinam chakrinam ca Tejo rāshin sarvato dītinandam Pashyāmi tvam durlīkṣam sanamnāt Dīpānalāt tadvyutimaprameyam Arushapūrvam trishitosmi drishtva Bhayena ca pravyathitam mano me Tadeva me darshaya deva rūpam Prasīda devesha jagannivāsa Shri Bhagavanuvaca Sudurdarshamidam rūpam Drishtavānasi yanmama Devāpyasya rūpasya Nityam darshanakamshinah. Read and follow. Brahma bhutah prasannatma Brahma bhutah prasannatma Brahma bhutah prasannatma Na shochati na काङ्क्षति ब्रह्मभूतः प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते पराम् समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते पराम् Entire shloka together. ब्रह्मभूतः प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते पराम् ब्रह्मभूतः प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते पराम्.
ब्रह्मभूतः प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति. These two words are important here. न शोचति न काङ्क्षति. Neither he becomes victims to his own despite, disgust, disappointment, so many series of these highly negative in its consequences, in their consequences. न शोचति न काङ्क्षति. Greed and need, contrast between these two to be understood. Greed cannot be met. Even a single person's greed cannot be met. Need must be duly attended and satisfied. So, one who is plugged to Brahman, omnipresent, Anu, Renu, Trina, Kashta, in articles, particles, everywhere, all pervading existence. One who is plugged to that, attached to that, integrated with that. There are many such people. Great sadhakas like Ramana Maharshi, many such great spiritual masters. They are Brahmabhuta. They feel totally integrated with all pervading existence. And so that their mind will be very much calm and quiet. Such people, samam sarveshu bhuteshu, equal approach. Such people, madbhaktim param labhante. They are the real role models for devotion. Bhakti is not for bhukti. Bhakti means consumerism. Bhakti nowadays becoming, it is for bhukti. More and more people become pious, but aiming at some immediate result, outcome, benefit, it is not permitted. So here in this 18th chapter, whatever is narrated projected that very salient point. Vyasa sums up. He puts it in a nutshell, in aphorium form, Sutra Rupa. So here this is the definition of jnanis, Sankhya yogis. There are many types of yogis. Karma yogis are there, bhakti yogis are there, abhyasa yogis are there. Many such type of different type of bhaktas are projected. Yoga is qualified by many words like sannyasa yoga, abhyasa yoga, like that. So that such people, they will be not like common men, not like you and I. They will be above this standard, mortal standard. They beyond, that means immortal. Such people we have to take as a role model and practice yoga. Om.
Very good morning to all. There is a quote from Acharyas, Bhagavad Gita Kinchit Adhita. Everyone should know Bhagavad Gita. If not, at least we should know minimum stanzas. There are special people who are transforming it as Bhagavad Gita Mahat Adhita. So they are showing that not only minimum, we should make it a big. So such special people are here today with us. I am very happy to introduce Sri Ananya Rao Vadaga. He is basically from Bengal and settled in Bangalore. He is a software engineer working for a US-based startup company. He has done his BTech Engineering and MSc Physics from BITS Pilani. He has also done his MSc Yoga from Yasvyasa. Now he is a student of Vedanta, studying under our Subhadra Devi. Thank you for coming. He has done his Bhagavad Gita chanting today in front of our Acharyas. So I request our Acharya Ji to honor him with certificate. I am very happy to introduce his family members. Dr. Vijayalakshmi Rao, his sister. She is a MD in community medicine working in St. John's Hospital. His father, Dr. Gangadhar Rao, is a PhD in chemical engineering, a consultant of Solar. Thank you all for coming.
We request all the examiners to please come on the stage, Karibu Sabbaji as well. And I request Ananya ji to chant few shlokas of his choice.
So this shloka is coming from the 6th chapter, where a beautiful verse comes which says that a person can be one's own friend if they use one's own capabilities in the right manner, and if they misuse their ability, they become one's own greatest enemy. So this shloka goes like, Uddharedatmanatmanam natmanam avasadayet atmaiva yatmano bandhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha.
Please be on the stage. One photo with the family and examiners. Yes. And after the Shanti Mantra, I request Ananya ji with his father and sister to please come and hoist the flag after the Shanti Mantra. Please come. Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu nirama